In this video, I will show you two methods on how you can install an app on any Samsung tablet. For the first method, just open the Google Play Store. And in the Google Play Store, you can search for the app which you want to download. For example, if you want to install the Instagram app, just tap on it and select Install. But if you cannot find the Instagram app over here, you can search it in the search section. Now, after you search the name of the app, then just select Install and you will be able to install the app from the Google Play Store. Now, let's say if your desired app is not available on the Google Play Store. Now, in that case, just follow the next method to download your preferred app. For that, just open the app drawer and from here, just open your web browser app. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the app and after that, just type APK. For an example, I will search Instagram APK. Now after you arrive on this page, just scroll down and open this website. Now from here, just select the version of the Instagram app which you want to download. I will select this version. Now on this page, just scroll down and select the variant which you want to download. I will select this variant. Now from here, you will find the option to download APK. Just tap on download APK and select download anyway. Once the file is downloaded, just tap on open and select package installer. From here, just tap on settings and enable this toggle and after that just select install. Now it might say an unknown app is blocked, then just select OK and go to your home screen. Now from here, just go to settings and under settings, just search this. Tap on auto blocker. Now from here, just turn off auto blocker. Then enter your lock screen pin or pattern. And after you turn off auto blocker, then just go back to your web browser app. Then tap on the three dots over here. Now just tap on downloads. And from here, just tap on the APK. Then tap on install or download anyway. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Instagram on our tablet. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the app drawer, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded Instagram on our tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.